going to make one of my all-time favourite things. I could live off herby garlic bread. I love it so much. And it would be perfect for soaking up the juices from my beach clam bake. First, I'm going to start by making the garlic butter. Holly, do you like garlic bread?
Of course.
Megan?
Yeah, I love it.
Elsbeth?
You bet.
So I think everyone likes it. Crush the garlic into the butter. I'm using a couple of cloves, but you can use more or less. Depends on how garlicky you like it. Add parsley. It smells like grass. This is so easy. Just put it all in a bowl and mix it up. I really like it, herby. Slice the bread. You don't want them to be too thick. And pack the mixture in. It tastes good. It's really nice and fresh. That's great. It's got a lot of garlic butter inside. It's going to be so good. Pop it on the barbecue or in the oven to cook.